this awesome market, right? Welcome, 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 every single body, man. My name is Joshua Moses, man. We're gonna kick off this morning's session. If you hear me loud and clear in the Zoom also, can I get some ones in the chat? And I'd be really, really grateful, really thankful. I love that, man. So let's kick it off, man. Let's kick it off, man. Let's kick it off, man. I got 5 minutes to go. Let's start off this awesome session, right? With our rules, with our sweet and wonderful rules, right? In which rule number one is actually being grateful. We gotta be grateful, we gotta be thankful, we gotta thank God for life, health, and strength, all right? For every life, everything, every single thing that we're going to have, we gotta thank God for that, man. All right, we gotta be that, we gotta have that gratitude, that literally that gratitude that what I should say like we just gotta be grateful for everything that we have and that we're going to have also, right? So once you're grateful now, all right, rather than later. Be grateful now, like you're actually manifesting that you're already having it, right? Gotta start off with that awesome mindset of having gratitude, having your mind grounded, and act like you already have it, but you don't have it as yet, all right? So we gotta be grateful, we gotta be thankful, right? And for every single thing, right? Even the trades you took, all right, even the trades that you took and you're going to take and so on, right? You gotta be grateful for every single one, right? Because every trade is literally a lesson, right? So that's your rule number one: being grateful, being thankful, right? As you go forward to rule number two is actually checking the news. Are we gonna check the news on forexfactory.com to see what high impact news is gonna affect the United States dollar this morning, all right? Now we're trading US 30 and Nasdaq, and we want to know what high impact news is gonna affect us this morning, right? Now, as you're looking at my screen, we don't have any red folder news, which is high impact news, gonna affect us this morning, but we do have the orange folder news, right? So that's medium impact gonna affect us this morning, right? Now that's in the next hour. No, not hour. In the hourly candle, so that's like 10 o'clock Eastern, right? And that's CB consumer confidence, all right? Now, with that being said, would that affect the S&P? Not really, like not, but it's still a medium portfolio. You still gotta look at it and look, pay attention of it, right? Now, the last time this actually took place, if the actual is greater than the forecast, is good for the currency. This was the actual, right? So the actual was 9.1, 91.8, and the forecast was 87.8. So it was good. So that means we may see some bullish pressure taking place at 10, and so on, right? Also, seeing today is a bank holiday for Japan, but we still look at Japan tonight, right? I feel that's why Japan moved crazy last night. Makes sense. But anywho, as you rule number two, as you rule number two, as you go forward to rule number three is knowing our risk management, right? So risk management is crucial. Risk to reward is very, very, very crucial, right? And once you get your risk to reward down pack, we're gonna be Gucci, right? So when I say risk to reward, that's pretty simple. You gotta know your risk, meaning we're gonna be risking 3%, 300 pips, 2,000 points, always, 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 and your daily target is gonna be 10. All right. Once we secure our daily target, we know our calculated risk. We're gonna be good to go. All right. So let's jump straight to the charts, man. Let's jump straight to the charts. We don't want to waste no time. All right. So we have literally 56 seconds again for the New York Stock Exchange to actually open. Right. So we're trading the opening of the U.S. market. All right. Let me see, 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots, 5 lots. Trading 5 lots. All right, cool. I know USD is gonna blast off. All right, cool. That's 30 seconds ago, guys. Looking at US 30. If she break those highs, I'm in on that buys. All right, as the market gonna open up in the next 22 seconds. All right. Now that's one high need to be broken. For me to be good, you need to break that next high up there. Once she does that, we're gonna be really good to go. All right. 10 seconds ago, man. Make sure when we enter, we go in, and we're gonna see this thing fly to the moon. Market is now open. Market is now open. Don't give me no lag. Looking at US 30. I need one more push. All right, cool. So I ooh, ooh, ooh. See, there's one that she to break through the high. She fails to break through the high. That we talk about. We talk about if she engulf this low, if she engulf this candle, I don't mind taking her down, which is gonna be really good. Now, all right, cool. She giving us a push on US 30. She rejected off at a high. Good push down right now. Honestly, that's a good push down. Need to be sure. You need to be sure though. Now, US 30 is very weird. US 30 is a weird girl. She is super weird. Last night, Nas did drop a lot. When I say a lot, Nas did drop crazy last night. Nas together with Japan, after Japan did she craziness. Nas, Japan, the S&P, everything except even gold. All right, where we call that gold trade. Even gold dropped really nice, and US 30 just stay one place. She's weird. She was supposed to actually do the exact same thing like Nas and stuff, drop same way too, but boy oh boy, she's weird. So so she actually dropped there. She did engulf it, but she didn't take the trade because she didn't engulf it good with that volume, and then she pulled back again, literally straight up there, right? What's your Nas jumping? You, and that was a nice resistance, right? Support right here. She created. That's a nice support right there. But now I don't take trades inside the zone, so that don't make sense. Alright, cool. So yesterday when the market flew, she fly like she just take off. Now today she actually stayed in the range and she does moving. She breaking the low, breaking the high. She's not break the low as yet. So it's just this is just the waiting game right here. Alright. Alright, so she now engulfed it on US 30. One more push down. And now she's rejecting. Alright, cool. So I need one more push down. Oh no, I pressed by mistake. No, I pressed it by mistake. Alright, cool. Hold on. One more push down. One more push down. Alright, cool. I am selling USD right now. Okay, cool. So that's how they pull back here. Selling USD right now. Stop loss is 3,000 points. Wow, US 30. She pulled back. She didn't stop us. What I said, she reached very close though. Alright, cool. So, alright, now, alright, she got support. We got support. We got support. Okay, US 30. I understand them. I understand, right? I understand. Okay, okay, I understand. So she pulled back and stopped us out on US 30. I should have actually wait for my entry down here. But anyways, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Now she actually pulled back and stopped us out there, right? Really fast there, right? She can still go back down. Are you steady? Nas did give us the push again after she rejected right now. So I'm waiting to see exactly what she's gonna do, right? Because what she's doing here right now, something I really do not like. So just gotta wait again, right? So do wait. I really hope this market ain't gonna move like Japan last night, yo. Honestly, don't want that. Alright, cool. Looking at US 30, I can should drop back to my entry where we took the sell before. Honestly speaking, I need more volume than this. Let's go, girl. We waiting, 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 we waiting. Alright, so I'm down on a 1 minute right now, and the 1 minute is looking so crappy. Alright, cool. The 1 minute is actually showing us a downtrend, which is good. If she actually drop again, if she actually start rejecting to the downside, I don't mind taking her back at this little area here. Because she's actually showing us that downtrend move, which is cool. And we can see a new lower low being created right here and there. But this is literally only 1 minute though. Alright, so showing us bullish movement right now. To these markets like this, I need my market straightforward here, honestly. I honestly want my markets give me straightforward move rather than breakout and then after rejection and then after she in the range and yeah. I'm actually tired of that, man. I need to see my markets back out like how she used to do it, man. Literally, right? These days with the wars and stuff, having the market actually move crazy, 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 crazy. But we gotta just adapt it, right? So no sell off entry is literally. I would see what the market do, man. How the market actually come to us. Alright, I seen the Nas. Let's try. Should we try we hand with Nas? The Nas. The Nas showing us a break to the upside. Nas drop a lot. Alright, cool. Yesterday not give us a drop again. Yeah, 1 minute again for this candle to close. Less than a minute again. Should I take this trade in a last minute candle or wait for the next 5 minutes? I'll wait until the next candle form on the 5 minute, which is the next 40 seconds, and then enter. Alright, now if she actually drop, that's FOMO, fear of missing out, literally. For me to jump in there, she start rejecting and dropping like crazy. But I rather wait. Yeah, exactly. What should she being back bullish there? Alright, so new kind of gonna form to me. She's gonna give us a bullish move here. New kind of gonna form. Alright, got a new 5 minute candle has now officially formed. Bingo. I am I bet. So I am one more push. I'm taking a buy on yesterday. Hold on, eh? We need that wick to be fulfilled. We need that wick to be fulfilled. Once you fulfill it, yeah, buy USD right now. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Buy USD right now. Stop loss is 3,000 points. Make sure they 3,000 points. Come on, USD. Do you like that, girl? Come on, USD. Do you like that, girl? This supposed to be a really good trade here now. You clear the lows, we need to see new higher highs. Wow, US 30. Can we see some kind of rejection though? That'd be really good, honestly. And look, now it's now breaking to the upside also. Alright, I'm calling that SL hit. I stop loss hit on the side, yo. That's crazy. Why USD is actually moving like this? I stop loss hit, guys. Now I'm waiting, man. Now I'm waiting, man. Ooh, so Nas actually burst through the high really cool. Alright, like that's crazy. Nas now burst through really good. No, I didn't take Nas. We need to take US 30. Two of US 30, the sell and the buy, and two of them actually support, so which is ridiculous. But not like we could even get Nas. Can we get Nas at this high? If she burst through the high, that'd be cool. We could even try back in US 30 for the same buy off again because she's showing us an uptrending market right now. And Nas now reaching that area of interest for the buy off. We could actually take Nas and just hold her out to these highs up here. As a matter of fact, I could actually hold out to my pivot. So that's like a 17,000 point move. Now Nas don't move that much, especially during the week. Unless it's a Wednesday. But for this market to drop like this, something actually took place. And while yesterday didn't do that thing. So let's wait and see exactly what she's gonna do. We have literally a minute again. Now in the next 5 minutes, if she doesn't do nothing, I'm gonna call it a sweet session and take my two L's, man. Dun, 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 dun. See someone in the chat. Oh, gold buying, really? Now, normally I do trade gold during New York session. This be best at night. Um, eh, something slight on gold. For New York session, gold really give us all that momentum. Sometimes she do when she move, especially when it's news, but yes, she showing us some bullish pressure, but at the same time, that looks like a pullback then for a continuation for dropping momentum on the goalie goal. The goalie goal. I wanna have my eye on Nas. Nas look like she could break out to those highs and continue flying. But she actually rejected off of my pivot down on these lows. Yep. If she break out and continue flying, Nas could actually continue going up there, which would be a really nice cool trade. Long time I haven't trade get a nice big trade from Nas. I need a proper break, you. I need a proper breakout, you. Come on, yesterday. I need something from you on as. I'm gonna sit back and wait on this one, you. Now, it's either we take the 2 hours and walk away, or we actually wait to see how this market moves. 'Cause right now we have no volume in this market, literally none. Right, literally no volume right now. She actually break to the upside. That wasn't a proper breakout. She break to the downside looking for a deep entry. That wasn't even a good proper break neither. Right now, Nas yes did give us a good break to the upside. That's the only trade that was good this morning. I see Nas now giving us. I see USD now giving us a drop. I need more volume in US 30. Honestly speaking, okay, I'm gonna follow by rules and wait for the market to come to my entry now. Yes, because I'm not into that deep entry. Yeah, we missed Nas. Nas did give us a break, but I reached like 5 1 a pip. I did I reached like 5 1 a pip, but if we could get a continuation to the upside, that'd be really nice. Yeah, I guess stop over. Sure. Yeah, surely get stop over there. Alright, good volume on US 30. When you reach halfway there, then drop. So Nas actually brain bullish. Yesterday now giving us a bearish move right now. I'm still here waiting because it both of them reach my entry. I'm still here waiting. Alright, so Yanni want me kind of open. Let's see if she's gonna break that low on US 30. If she break the low, that's my entry. Why she's only rejected? Look how she rejected that can on US 30. Ugly fake outs. Really ugly fake outs. Alright, nah, nice good drop. Good drop. I'm selling US 30. That's a good drop. I'm selling US 30 right now. That's a good drop. Yeah. I'm selling US 30 right now. Got it at the area where she's at right now. Good, 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 good. Stop loss gonna be 3,000 points. Don't play it, give me no pullback there, yo. Trust me. We gonna follow today, US 30. We're gonna follow today if you only do that. Oh, thought so. Thought so. Say what? I'm waiting for a big trade on US 30 because boy oh boy, I've been waiting too long. Alright. And yeah, we just run it out. Let us run it out. So you take two loss, 3 by 3, 600 pip loss. Alright. And if you go in for 10%, that's gonna be like 1600 pip move, which is 16,000 points. Alright. Now let me see if I can get her dropping to my upward trend line together with my support here for the sell-off. And let's see her take any breakout, right? So we could actually go for at 20, 15,000 points. Now if we go for the 16, we could hit the direct 10% or no? If we go for 16,000 points. Studying. Say what? Let me go for the 18,000 points as I take profit. 18,000 points as I take profit. Stop loss is literally 3,000 points. She did clear the highs, which was good enough for me. We need to see a drop and clear the lows, which would be best. What, US 30? Wow, now it actually hit our stop loss. I'm gonna call it a sweet and wonderful morning. Take my three L's and literally walk away. Because boy oh boy, 1, 2, 3 and this mark move like this. Come on, come on, come on. Me play now, man. Yeah, yeah. We gotta protect the account always and trade live to trade for another day, yo. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Look how this market actually moving. Nas didn't give us nothing. Then Nas did break. Then after she tried to reach the engine and she rejected. Um, and if you want, you could actually take the re-entry on the sell on US 30. Because he'll give us a rejection and she dropped back there again. That's optional, but it's your Japan movement, and tonight let's see how Japan move tonight. We take the L this morning. We take the three L's, 1, 2, 3. Market in give us nothing, nothing, nothing at all. So we take the three L's and we walk away, man. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you guys for coming. We tried. Yeah, we tried, literally tried. If I see something, I'm gonna say something too because at the end of the day, market gotta give us a break out properly. All right, so let's go. All right, let's go. Yeah, I've actually taken another entry on the 7 US 30 again. Yeah, looking for the same 20,000 points. I've re-entered on US 30 as just saying. 20,000 points is my TP and 3,000 points is my take is my stop loss. But if you see a drop, if you want to drop like that, yeah, you guys supposed to be running profits right now. Let's go. What are you talking about? Be back in, man. But let's go. Gonna call it a sweet morning, man. Market very, very indecisive. We in the trade, yeah. I'm in the trade also. All right, we in the trade together. And if she pull back and stop us, so that's 4 L's. Crazy. Anywho, let's go. And I am out of here. Market moving indecisive, so we take the L's, man. Yes, this is part of the game too, so we take L's. Call it a CD, right? Um, if you want to see more what's going to happen next, if the market actually reverse or go in our direction, make sure leave a comment in the chat and let us know when you're actually interested, or I'll actually message you or you message me on my Instagram. All right, make sure like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it ripping. I'm out, man.